could not wait to show you guys this beautiful burgundy wig. I opened the pack, but before I unwrapped it, I said I had to do a video on it because it was so nicely wrapped. I got pictures of it, and I was like, wow, these burgundy curls is gorgeous. I have got to take a video of it. So I'm going to give you my first review of it. I am a natural redhead, so I pinned my own hair up, nice and neat. And I'm not going to put a wig cap on for this. I want to see how this wig look straight out the pack. Swiss lace wig, Cloud 9, wet lace, hairline illusion lace wig, 100% premium fiber. So I'm upgrading from just straight synthetic premium fiber. I'm doing better. So it starts off like this. She has combs in her front, which I like. And does she have a comb in the back? Yes. Yes. A nice comb in the back. She has straps to loosen it. And here is the lace. Now, I'm no specialty on no lace. I am a wig wearing woman, and I've been wearing wigs for a long time. And if it just don't plop on my hair and just go, I don't know what to do. So here you go. The curls are unveiled. Oh, isn't she pretty? Isn't she pretty? I seen this wig on a TikTok a while back, and she cut the bangs. So I'm gonna try it too, maybe. But isn't these curls gorgeous? This is gonna be new for me with all this hair, because before I retired, I wore a lot of wigs, but I wore them up. I couldn't wear anything on my collar. So, ooh, a nice snug fit. What lace? What lace? What lace? All right. She is pretty. She is pretty. Oh, the burgundy is very pretty. She's soft and full. And this back, very nice and soft and full. Wet lace hair, illusion lace wig. So, with that, I'm so glad I left it snug, because this is so snug and tight. So I'm hoping that what I'll do is I'm going to cut this lace off. Not with all that dyeing and spraying yet. I haven't upgraded to that. And I love it. If it can just snap on, and it's so nicely snug. And I haven't even dug in the combs yet. I haven't even dug the combs in, but it's nicely snug. Okay, let's see. For a middle part, she had it like this. She was gorgeous with this. I've always looked a lot better because I have a round face with full hair. But I could not wear hair on my shoulders for many, many years. So I always pinned my hair up. It is so soft, and they're bouncing back. No shedding. It's a real pretty color. Real pretty color. Very long too. So it will take me a minute to get used to long hair down my back. But what I can do with this hair up here, let's see if it makes a pretty ponytail. Does she make a pretty ponytail? Because I cannot wear hair on my shoulder for years. But I still love a gorgeous wig. I used to just really do damage to some curls because I will pin them up so much. Look at that. That's cute. Okay. Yeah, she'll make a cute ponytail. And she's snug. Let's turn her to the side. Let's turn that side. Let's see what she'll do. What lace? I just upgraded. Just upgraded. What lace? What lace? Now, what this young lady did on TikTok was something like twist her bangs right here and she cut them. I'm kind of liking the way things is right now. I'm not a big fan on cutting on wigs until I really have to. So this wig is gorgeous. It fits me well. It fits me well. I love it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.